Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. So current undefeated and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue magkakaroon ng tune-up fight ngayon December taon kasalukuyan. Ayon sa Team Inoue at kinumpirma ito ng kanyang promoter ay magkakaroon daw ng laban itong si Naoya Inoue, bago ito lumaban sa big fight kontra Jesse Bam Rodriguez sa taon 2027. Gagawin ang tune-up fight sa kadahilanan na ayaw ni Naoya Inoue mabakanti ng matagal. Gusto ng Team Inoue ay palaging aktibo ang kanilang alaga. Sino kaya ang napili nilang kalaban para sa tune-up fight na ito? Madami naman ang umaasa na mga boxing fans na si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero na ang makakalaban nito. Kung talagang si John Riel Casimero ang kanyang makakalaban ay tiyak delikado ang halimaw ng bansang Japan na si Naoya Inoue, dahil baka dito na niya matikman kung paano matulog sa ibabaw ng boxing ring kapag tinamaan ito ng solidong suntok ng ating pambato. At baka magaya lang ito kay Luis Neri na talagang pinagapang lang ni John Riel Casimero sa ibabaw ng boxing ring noong sila ay naglaban.
基本的に今はもうこのカシメロのパンチも慣れてきてますし、左だこれは全員クリーンに捉えた。それでもこう走りましたね。
Madami din ang nag-alala kay Naoya Inoue na kanyang mga kababayan, ayon sa kanila huwag na daw niyang labanan ang ating pambato, maghanap na lang daw ng ibang makakalaban at huwag daw si John Riel Casimero, dahil baka mas ilat pa ito at matalo siya. Madami din mga Pinoy boxing fans ang nilalait ang tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Tinatawag ng mga Pinoy boxing fans si Naoya Inoue na the Japanese Turtle, mahina at duwag. Ngunit ganun pa man ay hindi lang mga Pinoy boxing fans ang nanlalait. Dahil mismong mga Japanese boxing fans ang nanlalait din sa ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero, na tinatawag nila na isang walang kwentang boksingero laban sa kanilang pambato na si Naoya Inoue. Dagdag pa dyan ay binahagi ni Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero, ang post ng The Ring Magazine, na siya ang topic nito. Ayon sa post ng The Ring Magazine, John Riel Casimero had too much power for Duque Maika. And he didn't stop once the fight was finished. Sa ngayon ay balik training na rin ang ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero para palakasin ang kanyang katawan para na rin sa paghahanda kung matutuloy ang kanyang paparating na laban. Maliban dyan ay buong ipinagmamalaki ni John Riel Casimero ibahagi ang sinabi ni Floyd Mayweather Sr. na I'm telling you, Casimero is built different in my opinion. Inoue still hasn't faced anybody like him. I believe Casimero is the toughest fighter in Inoue division. Kaya naniniwala itong ama ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. na si Floyd Mayweather Sr., na tanging si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero lang ang kanyang makakatapat at posibleng makatalo sa current undefeated and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster. Ang buong lakas ay kumpleto na, ang resulta ay puro positibo. The Japanese Monster is coming back to Las Vegas, USA.
This is the greatest attraction in boxing.
Nandito ang pinakadelikadong kalaban ni Naoya Inoue, ang angas ng bansang Pilipinas ang pinakamalakas at former 3 World Division Champion John Riel Casimero. Dalawang malalakas na mandirigma sa taon kasalukuyan. Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimero. Ang isang magagaling na mandirigma ay may kanya-kanyang talento at lakas sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Ang pinakamalakas ng bansang Japan na si Naoya Inoue ay masusubukan, kontra sa lakas ng bansang Pilipinas na si John Riel Casimero. Pagkatapos manalo sa Super Series fight ay naghahanda na itong si Naoya Inoue para lumaban sa bansang Amerika. Ang training sa ilalim ng kanyang ama ay mas lalong naging bihasa sa pagigipaglaban si Naoya Inoue at mas lalo pa itong lumalakas ang mga suntok.
Train with him, I used to run with him. That guy, yeah, he knocks him out. He's a freak of nature, isn't he?
You gotta get up and go get it.
It's certainly a risky fight for the Japanese star, especially coming off an orbital injury. But with credit to his throwback style and willingness to face the best, a victory against the Filipino this year would see him put a serious dent in the pound-for-pound rankings.
And that is devastating once again from Naoya Inoue. I'm fearless.
Lahat ng laban ni Naoya Inoue ay tinuturing niyang napakadelikado, gusto niyang patunayan sa lahat na siya ang nag-iisang halimaw sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ngunit may gustong patunayan ang mandirigma ng bansang Pilipinas na isa rin siyang halimaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng boxing ring, Tinuturing siyang isang napakadelikadong boksingero na may taglay na lakas ng kamao. Siya ay si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas Jonriel Casimero.
Casemiro is no joke, he's a real killer and he can punch and he's a ruthless, spiteful fighter.
Despite being nicknamed Cuadro Alas, which translates to 4 aces, Casemiro plans to leave nothing down to luck come fight night.
I'm very excited this fight and see you and having fight.
Continuing a 5-fight knockout streak and hoping to turn the new influx of fans from Inoue's fan-friendly style into his own,
Pinatunayan niya ang kanyang lakas noong nagharap sila ni Solane Titi, na tinapos niya lang sa ikatlong round.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find
Casimero is ready. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can beat him.
where many expected Donaire to be a pushover for Naoya, it drew a Fight of the Year tear.
They go toe-to-toe to the final bell.
And where many expected Tete to be too slick and too technical for John Real, he simply blew him out of the water.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the feet.
Donaire rewound the clock to put in a career-best performance, and whilst it still wasn't enough to beat the monster, it offers his countrymen something to build on.
I planned how to knock him out.
The fight itself will invite a red-hot pace. Both men have spectacular footwork, with Casemiro's in-and-out movement being some of the best in the division. The one thing the Filipino can be guilty of is sometimes waiting for the perfect shot to present itself, something he cannot afford to do. The story of the matchup will be how well both men take and distribute each other's power. Inoue's speed and boxing could create openings for him to apply pressure, and if he gets his man on the back foot, he is probably the most complete finisher in the sport.
Right hand, left hand, and McDonald sags into the ropes again. The referee has jumped in and waved this off.
Though you'd be crazy, even with his track record, to think it's a walk in the park for the Japanese star. After all, we saw him drawn into a firefight in November, one that swung the fight wide open. Should the same take place at the Mandalay Bay, anything could happen.
Counter right hand. Inoue rock to his boots.
With two fantastic punchers, the odds certainly don't favor those ringside hearing the final bell. Though with two men who chose legacy over comfort, the real winners will be the fans. And with names like Neri and Ubali lying in wait, we can expect an undisputed bantamweight collision in the not-too-distant future.
I think we can knock him out. Bob Arum, make that fight.
Naoya Inoue looks on course to become a true boxing great and has all the tools and natural ability to do so.
I think as soon as Nui lands, it's game over.
However, Jonriel Casimero has been described as the best boxing champ you've never heard of, something that could certainly change in the coming months.
So lalong umiinit ang usapin sa iba't ibang social media platform, ang inaasam ng karamihan lalong-lalo na ang ating pambato na si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas Jonriel Casimero, na matuloy na ang labanan Casimero vs Naoya Inoue. Ito ay dahil binalita mismo ng Boxing News Online na dahil umano sa unang bahagi ng taon 2027 mangyayari ang blockbuster fight sa pagitan ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Ngunit bago magtapos ang taon kasalukuyan ay baka magkaroon muna ng laban si Naoya Inoue ng title defense fight. Ayon sa Boxing Online, as a result before Naoya Inoue can faces Rodriguez in early 2027, the undisputed champion may target another defense of his super bantamweight undisputed title in either September or October. At present Jonriel Casimero could be under consideration for that bout while fellow Filipino Carl James Martin remains the WBO mandatory challenger. Nagpost na din ang Great Chef Boxing na Naoya Inoue vs Jonriel Casimero. Habang ang manager ni Naoya Inoue ay kinumpirma sa Yahoo Japan na tuloy na ang laban ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Kaya sa ngayon ay muling nabigyan ng pag-asa ang labanan Naoya Inoue vs Jonriel Casimero na matuloy. Ngunit ganun pa man ay kailangan manggaling mismo sa Team Inoue ang confirmation ng balitang ito. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Wins World TV. Saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi, okay, alright.